Hi, what's up, Polygon holders? So this is live price prediction of Polygon Kurma and 23.99% they will take a very huge profit in last 7 days. So 1.54 USD dollar. This is the latest price of Polygon weather, and absolutely all cryptocurrencies were moving in upward direction. Definitely, my friend, all cryptocurrencies were moving forward, but when a crypto market is comfortable, definitely in those days crypto market is comfortable, so therefore Polygon will also, my friends, completely in the profit in 1.54 USD dollar. Absolutely, this time the crypto market is going to be very good now, and this is the profit because from there, every cryptocurrencies will starting moving upward at the end of month, so after a mid of month especially. So therefore I am 100% sure to my friend, this time Polygon will give you in this month, give you very good profit, because last 10 days of month, absolutely 100% I am sure my brothers, to every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore Polygon, there is a 100% chance to Polygon will also wake up and moving upward. My opinion is for all viewers, my subscriber, to please hold. If you are already holder, so please hold it. But if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this time the price is also very cheap. Now I know to upcoming time they will easily hit now 2 USD dollar, and absolutely my brothers, they will give you a profit. Please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure they will make you millionaire now. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.